How to see pending payments on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to see pending payments on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the Activity option. It is this icon here at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the activity page, you will see all the transaction history of your account, just like you can see here. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. On this page here, look for a section named Pending. Under the section, you will see all payments that are currently pending and the ones that have been completed. To see the payments that are pending, make sure you tap on the specific transaction that is under the Pending section. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to see pending payments on Cash App.